Hey guys, welcome to the start of our Elementor tutorial series, where what we'll be doing over the next few episodes, quite a bit of episodes mind you, is each episode we're going to look at one Elementor element that we can use to build websites. And the idea here is that we just want to help you to understand how to use the software that is going to help you to build websites. So you might come to this video at some point in the future after we start posting tutorials on how to build a website for your business that generates leads and clients and revenues. The idea is that in order to build those websites, you need to know how to use Elementor. This tutorial is going to cover the start of the series, where we'll just install Elementor on your website beginning at the WordPress dashboard. And then from there, we will look at each element in Elementor in each video. So one video, one element, one tutorial. And from there, you'll be able to go ahead and start following our website tutorials, where we teach you how to build a website for your business. My name is Jabez Roberts. I am the CEO and founder of Zelhan. If you do not want to build your own website, you can have Zelhan build it for you. There will be a consultation link in the description below. Let us get started in installing Elementor. Hey guys, so here we are on the dashboard of WordPress. And what you'll find happen here is that on your WordPress dashboard, you might see something a little bit different as you install what are called plugins. Now, plugins are like apps on your cell phone. And how plugins on WordPress work is that you can install a plugin to build a website. And remember that WordPress is the overall software that the website is being built on, and you're provided access to that website via the internet. So I won't go into the nitty-gritty. So keep it simple: page builder, apps, plugins. The plugin that we're looking for, or the app that we're looking for, is a plugin that allows us to build websites. And the one that we're going to use is the Elementor plugin. But before we try to install it, let's look if it's already installed. So you go to the left side or left panel here, you click on plugins and installed plugins. What we'll see here is a list of all the plugins that we already have installed. Some of them come installed with WordPress. So previously I had Hello Dolly installed, which is a default WordPress plugin. We don't need that, so I deleted it. And Elementor is not here. You can go to add new plugin, or you can go to plugins, add new, and that's where we will find the Elementor plugin. Now, so this page is like the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, where you can get your plugins or your apps, like we said. You see a few featured here. We won't spend too much time on this because we want to stay on track. We will quickly go to popular. So here's the thing about Elementor. It's one of the most popular plugins on WordPress. So we just go to popular and it will be here somewhere. You see Elementor website builder, more than just a page builder. You can click install now. But if it doesn't appear on your dashboard when you're watching this video, you can go right here and type it in. And as you type in Elementor, you're going to see it appear here and you click install. Now, these are additional plugins that work with Elementor to create more dynamic or robust or feature-packed websites. We'll worry about that once we learn how to use Elementor. So for now, click install and we're going to go ahead and activate it. So we've installed Elementor. We have activated Elementor. You can see it on our list of plugins. What we're going to do is we're going to quickly go to settings. So we're going to go to Elementor settings, because we want to ensure that everything is ready for what we're going to be doing. We head all the way over to features, and we want to ensure that Flexbox containers are active, because we're going to be working with Flexbox containers and grid containers as well. So Flexbox containers open, grid containers open. We want to ensure that those are activated. And from there, we are going to scroll all the way down, click save changes. So we've installed Elementor, we have activated Elementor, we have activated the Flexbox and grid container feature of Elementor, and now we are ready to start building websites with Elementor. In the next video, the next two videos mind you, so the first video we're going to look at the header element, and in the second video we're going to look at Flexbox containers And in the third video, we'll look at grid containers, because the idea is that we're going to be using the header element to play around with understanding how the Flexbox container works and the grid container works. So one video, one episode every day. There will be a new episode. Hit subscribe if you want to know when these episodes go live. There will be a playlist on YouTube as well. And remember, if you do not want to build your own websites, you do not want to get your own clients or leads or customers for your business, you want help growing your business online, Zelan is here to help. Go ahead and use a consultation link in the description. Consultations are paid, but we deduct the consultation fee from your project fee if you work with us within the first month. That way, those who are serious about working with Zelhan will be able to benefit from that. And those who don't want to work and are looking for a cheap price, then they won't bother wasting our time. Thank you for watching. The next video in the series will be posted shortly, or if it's already posted, click the video that appears here.